Hi Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 26th of October. This is your Love is Real reading. Let me go ahead and go into your messages, Gemini. You don't think love is real? Ask your twin, Gemini. Let's see what's up. Are you ready for love? Let's see, Gemini. We have the Ace of Pentacles. I'm getting you ready for love, but the love have to come with money. I'm getting here, you don't believe anything. You don't believe anybody say them love you unless them get something. You can just say it. I'm getting you're tired of these. You're tired of these people promising to bring you places after you finish. And now that the feelings, the emotions, and if someone thinks you're a gold digger, I'm getting you not going to give any love until you get something in return. This is how you equivalent love. You equivalent love to money. So are you ready for love? I am getting you are over experience when it comes down to love, because I'm getting you don't even looking for love no more. Yeah, look for me getting it have to come with something, or it's not love, it's wasting your time. How will you guys meet? We have the Queen of Swords. Me getting is a girl you're gonna meet. You're gonna meet her online. Me getting is a Libra, Aries, is a Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini woman. Gemini, this is a reading. So me getting somebody going offer you something in your hand. Somebody might just say, Gemini, I want to pay you for your time. Gemini, would you like to be a sugar baby? Gemini, do you want employment in this establishment? Right? Anyways, I don't know which one, but I'm getting, this is what you're looking for. Money, me, look, I'm getting, money make me. I'm getting you to give a shit about attending to someone's emotions, babying them. You don't give a fuck about that. If they're not giving nothing, you don't want it. Libra. I'm getting a Libra, even though we're doing Gemini's reading, but Gemini, this could be you as well. So how you going to meet them? You're going to meet them at work, or they're going to offer you a paid opportunity. Your lover's characteristics is a 3 of Wands. Me getting this man is not here for you. Him going to give you money then abandon you. So maybe that's okay. It's better than dating a guy, dating him and then him abandon you and you don't know where it went wrong. I better him give you money then abandon you. So at least you can, when you're crying about the fact that you don't want you anymore, you can buy something for yourself. Great, okay? So I'm getting the characteristics. The person is not necessarily attentive. They're not considerate of your time. They just want you when they want you, and they're gonna leave you when they're gonna leave you. And they'll leave you with money. But I mean, don't expect this person to listen to you. The person don't want to hear no problems. The 3 of them back is turned to you. So I'm getting somebody get what they want, they're gonna leave you. They're gonna pay you, but they're gonna leave you. Maybe that's what you want. So I'm getting don't get too emotionally attached, because this person is not emotionally attached. Them just want you for whatever you can give them and then leave, okay? So yeah, they're not going to be there for you. So I would suggest you know what you're going to do. If you want to commit to somebody like this, or if you don't and you want to commit somewhere else, you can, but I don't know why you're stretching your pussy in 2 different directions. What would this relationship teach you? The Hierophant, it's going to teach you about monogamy or loyalty. Okay, so this just changed. So I'm getting something about a Taurus, something about a Libra, something about a Gemini. So I'm getting somebody has to travel. That's why them back turn. I'm getting somebody can't stay with you, them never see you all the time, but them expect you to be loyal to them. Oh, maybe that's why they're giving you money. So I'm getting somebody will give you allowance, basically, for you to stay loyal to them. Don't go on any other dates, don't condone any other arguments or any other conversations while they're gone on work. And when you come back, them can come back to you, and then they're gonna leave again. So I'm getting you I don't know what this is. I'm getting you somebody who can, what you want? Come getting you give somebody money for them loyalty. You're giving someone money for them loyalty. You give them money. So I'm getting you want this woman for the loyalty, or you don't want to date her, or you know, I'm getting you want her for yourself, but you can't attend to her a lot. So you give her money for your loyalty, so that when you're gone from business and when you come back, she can, you know what I mean? I'm getting this is an arrangement, okay? So what a relationship will teach you, it's going to teach you how to deal with a man or deal with a woman, and to stay in your plot yard. But you want to go out, go meet people, stay in your yard, your man is at work. This is what the relationship is going to teach you. Maybe this is something about long distance relationship. The relationship wants to teach you that. It wants to teach you how you should understand that just because somebody's not in your face 24/7, it doesn't mean it's not a relationship. Me getting somebody wants you to learn how to sit at your yard, spend the money wisely what them give you for occupy your time, and when they come back from work, you can spend time with them. That's what somebody wants you to learn how to do. Basically, that's what I'm getting, Gemini. Let's go. We have one way, yeah. Me getting you have to stay home. Me getting this person is going to be the only female or the only male in your life right now. But you're not gonna see, you'll see them probably once a week, once every 2 weeks, maybe even once a month. But you will be taken care of though. But them want to make sure say enough other people who are there giving you money. We have witch doctor. We have meditation. We have kill them with kindness, and we got $1 million baby. Because someone knows you're worth it. That's why somebody know. That's why somebody now give you money and say, yeah, go on board your business. And if you're available next week, I'll get you. Someone's like, no, you can't talk to any other person. You are for me, for when me come back from work. Whatever business trip them come upon, when them come back, they want to enjoy you, whenever time that is. So me getting somebody wants you to be exclusively for them. They want to pay you for your loyalty. I don't know what you think about that, Gemini, but you can just ask your twin. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.